So for the second part of sketching Shahid Kapoor, our main focus will be shifted from hairs to main face parts, which are the eyes, nose and lip part. Lip part will be covered on the third portion of this Shahid Kapoor, which will be uploaded tomorrow. But first of all, for this particular part 2, the main focus of ours will be eyes and nose and remaining part of beard, which are just visible. As I told you in previous part, which is part 1, that always go for box to box, max to max 2 box or 3 box. Don't go further 3 or 4 boxes because you will lose details, and more details is equal to realism and more hyper realistic sketches. You have to give more and more time to your sketches so that it looks more beautiful. And if you will focus on your parents, your boyfriend or any person, if you will focus, the first focus of yours will be the eyes and lips and the nose also. So if you will make a little bit mistake on the eyes, nose parts, it will be visible on your particular portrait that you are making. So don't make mistake or keep on focusing on these 3 particular areas most of the time, which are eyes, nose and lips, which are the most important part first of all. So next, if I always use charcoal pencil for making darker parts of eyes and hairs and every other parts which are completely black, but this time I have used too many shades of pencils, and the reason behind is that I have used from 2B to 10B pencil, and 10B was used on the cornea part. The reason behind is that I always use charcoal pencil for the outlines, eyes, cornea part, but this time I have used graphite pencil for making shades, and the reason is simple, that to make more details and more and more realism. What I mean about saying realism is that if you will give more details, and more details will lead to a particular more beautiful sketch of yours. So while making a particular portrait or anything, I don't recommend that always go for charcoal pencil or graphite pencil. Whatever easy for you, use those pencils. If it is easy for you for a graphite pencil, you can use them. If it is easy for you to use charcoal pencil or charcoal powders, use them. But I recommend that whatever medium that you use, always go for base layer, first layer, third layer, make layers. And the reason behind me using graphite in this particular Shahid Kapoor portrait is that when I zoom out this particular portrait that I am using, the reference picture was completely high definition and I saw so many details, and to apply those details it is a little bit difficult with charcoal pencils. And the problem with charcoal pencil is that after every 5 or 6 strokes you have to sharpen them, and the main problem with charcoal pencil is that you cannot sharpen after every 5 or 6 strokes because it is totally time consuming. And if you want to make more details with pencils, you can use graphite pencils, right? So you can go up to 10B pencils also. So this time, after using a box, the first box of eye was completely smaller and too small details. So if you want to see more and more details, you have to zoom out your pictures, right? And to zoom out your pictures, you have to pinch your portrait or reference picture that you having. But problem is that while using a gallery application, your phone don't allow you to zoom out your picture as much as you want. So you have to use a third-party application, like I also use Pixar, Snapseed applications to zoom out my pictures. And while zooming out the pictures, I see so many details, and when I apply those details in my particular portraits, my portrait look completely beautiful. So now as you can see that left hand side portion of hairs were totally curvy and so many details, but I have used a hard charcoal pencil for making a base layer. I have not lost any details. I applied totally smaller and smaller details to my sketches of this particular Shahid Kapoor sketch, then finally blending it using a makeup brush or paint brush, then finally again using a soft charcoal pencil for having a particular and beautiful sketch of mine. So this was the 3 or basic layers for making my particular portrait look more and more beautiful. Now again, for the face structure, as I always say that if you are going to use blending stumps for blending your skin texture, don't use blending stumps, as we all know that we have made mistakes while making Rashmika Mandanna sketch, right? If I have used totally not clean a blending stump on a face structure, and face structures were looking totally black and more graded type, more blackish type, but that's not a problem, but main problem arrives when you have to rub it and make it more lighter, and that is not possible because you have just blended it. And after blending a particular area, if you are going to erase it, it is not completely possible. You will leave more and more marks to those parts. So for this particular problem, always go step by step, and as I always use earbud for blending skin texture. But if the skin texture is totally so many details you see on the skin texture, use base layer as a 2B pencil, use earbud for blending. You can also use a makeup brush or paint brush for blending those base layer of skin texture. Then again use 2B 3B pencil for a first layer for the only parts which you see are darker, like the parts of ear. Inner part of ear was looking darker, right? But I have not used directly 8B pencil. I have made a base layer. I have just given up layer a bit more pressure to the parts which are more darker or more blackish, and then finally again using second layer, third layer, and up to 8B. And 8B was not as much as useful for the parts of ears, but it will be useful for parts which are like nose parts and cornea, eyelashes. These are the parts which are completely black, so you can use 8B or 10B pencil for those parts. Now for making beard, we have used black hard charcoal pencil on the hairs, right? So similarly we will use a hard charcoal pencil and a sharpened hard charcoal pencil for the face structure, chin structure. These are the parts where the small beards are visible, and to make those small beards visible, you should use pencils wisely. So after using pencils on a beard type, first of all make smaller hairs. It is time consuming process while. So if you are going to make a beard, those are the tiniest and smallest hairs, so you have to give so many smaller details to those hairs. So after making first layer with the smaller hairs, again blend it using a makeup brush or paint brush, whatever you have. Then use a mono eraser for the parts which you see are whiter or more highlighted. What I mean about highlighted is that those parts will look a little bit more white. So after applying mono eraser, again use a soft charcoal pencil, which is the darkest one, on the parts which you see are darker, like the beard part. On some part of the beard are looking darker, but some part is looking a little bit lighter, right? So those parts are the soft charcoal parts. So after applying that, again use makeup brush or paint brush and blend it. It will give you a completely beautiful look. Now for the remaining part, we will see on the third part for the remaining part of the face and the clothes that Shahid Kapoor is wearing. So we'll see you guys in the next part. Bye bye. So if you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like, and comment down your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care of your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos.